What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a great freaking day. We are in the golf cart shop again, guys, with an introduction to, you guys know I love this freaking lithium battery life. I love it. I love it. But we have a DC house lithium battery sitting here, guys. This thing is crazy. We got Mo.
It's Mo, baby.
It's Mo, baby. And Mo's got an easy go. Hey, Mo. You know, what problem you having here, buddy?
These batteries suck.
The batteries suck. Why do they suck, bud?
They're batteries.
Because they're lead acid.
They're not lithium.
And you need a lithium battery. And I got you, boo thing.
Lithium is life. Lithium
is life. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take these lead acids out. We're going to put that lithium in. And he's going to be a happy camper.
Oh, I'm going to be very happy camper. If you might get lucky tonight.
Oh, shit, guys. First link in the description below, guys, if you guys are interested in a DC house lithium battery. This is a 48 volt. Yes, it says 51.2, but it is 100 amp hour. But yes, 48 volt batteries for 48 volt golf carts. So a little about, obviously the same thing, has your little charger that connects up to your battery. You have actually this is a very, very nice charger. Like, I like this charger. It's a little bit cuter than mine, to be honest, not gonna lie. And the best part about it is it also has a Bluetooth app, which is also cool. Now, so as you can see, it says do not disassemble or deform the battery, which means, unlike some of my other previous battery reviews, they don't want me to take the top off of this, but I can almost promise you it's the same quality, if not better, or about the same. It has the on-off button. It doesn't light up though, but if it's in, it's on. If it's out, it's off. It has your hookup for your gauge, which, where's the gauge at? Where's the gauge at? Oh, grab that gauge, buddy. Grab that gauge.
Got you.
Basically the same gauge as mine in my golf cart, but it has a nice, you know, U-art. They call it the U-art. Yeah, there we go. So that's the gauge setup right there, and it'll light up. We'll show you that here in a little bit as well. But yeah, so let's get this lead acid batteries out and get this lithium in his cart. The cool thing about, which I gotta tell you, Mo, which I don't know if you know, buddy, but do you know what those lead acid batteries weigh?
65 pounds a piece.
They're like 63 pounds a piece. Do you know what this battery weighs?
About 105,
105 or 110 pounds. You are correct, sir. So you're cutting out a lot of weight. A lot of weight. 300 pounds.
I'm gonna lose 100 and cut out.
You're gonna, yeah, dude, you're gonna get skinny, boy.
Yeah, I won't be pushing it. Won't be pushing anymore.
I know. All right, let's get these batteries out. All right, guys, as you can see, the lead acid batteries are completely out of the cart. Look how much room we have. Now, I will say that if you have an EasyGo TXT, that battery over there measures about 12 inches in width, where this here measures in about 10 inches of width. So for the time being, what we're probably going to do is just sit this thing in here and strap it down with a strap, which anybody could do, or which if you have fabrication skills, which I obviously do not right at this point in time, cut this out, cut that out, and you can make a new plate in here to house that battery properly, make it look a little bit nicer and neater. But for the time being, we're just going to kind of flimsily sit it in here and tie strap it and secure it and hook up our power wires and all that fun stuff and go from there. All right, guys, we got a change of plans here. We will be modifying the golf cart because we have a grinder. Not Grinder, the app. Grinder, the person. Get your mind out of the gutter, YouTube.
I'm grinding.
So basically what this gentleman's gonna do here, this awesome fucking guy with his diamond bit grinder, look at that motherfucker. He's gonna cut this shit the fuck out. And then we're gonna sit the battery in there, nice and pretty. Like, Mo, you should be so fucking happy right now.
I got a stiff.
Mo, I'm fucking happy.
Oh, I'm horny.
Oh, you're horny? Shit. We have 3 fat dudes that are horny.
And hungry, don't get it.
This is horny and hungry. Here we go.
Let's get some marks in.
Men at work. Holy shit. All right, guys. So what we did was we cut some of this metal out of here and we put 2 pieces of nice 2x4, 2x8, or 2x... I don't know wood. You know wood.
1x6 decks.
1x6 decks in here.
Pressure treated.
Pressure treated. And you got that?
I got it.
We're gonna see if this thing fits in here. We're gonna put it in here real nice. Oh my God. Look at that. Okay. So that actually fits in there very nice. It's not really going anywhere. We'll probably do a strap around the bottom and up through here to kind of hold it in place. But other than that, this thing's sitting pretty. And all we got to do is hook up our positive and our negative wires, and this golf cart should run. That's a good job.
That helped.
He was not liking his life a minute ago. He was having a terrible... Where's that fucking die grind? Where's that grinder at?
It's at your feet, isn't it?
No.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. This guy.
Yeah.
This guy here. Right there. Martin, do you work for Martin's Flooring?
I do.
Can I shout him out?
I don't care.
Martin's Flooring, this guy, like, he's like straight edging all this wooden crap. I'm not about that life. I don't do that stuff, so. But he got this battery to fit in here very, very nicely. Mo disappeared, by the way, guys, but Mo's gonna be back, so don't worry about that. But yeah, battery's in here. We're gonna hook up the power and ground, and then we'll see if this thing makes it happen. All right, guys, we have the DC house power lithium battery loaded up in the golf cart here. As you've seen, we cut out some of this right there. Mo's back, by the way.
Yeah.
Mo didn't hurt anybody. Thank you, Mo, for that. Mo's smiling for a good reason, right, buddy?
Violent. I'm a nice...
He's a lover, not a fighter, right?
Yeah.
So as you've seen, we cut out some of this. I know it's dark down there, and we put 2 pieces of
Oh, hold on.
whatever. I don't know. Greg knew what we were doing. But we got this thing sitting down there. I do recommend, Mo, that you take a ratchet strap and strap it around the metal and just secure it, because it's going to move around a little bit, but it's not going to go crazy on you. You know what I mean, buddy?
I'll tack weld a plate on there and it's going to be perfect.
What's that?
I'll tack weight a plate.
No, you don't even have to. Just take a ratchet strap, put it around there, and just tighten her down. She ain't going to go nowhere, bud.
That works for me, man.
Yeah, all right. Help me put this seat up. There we go. Get her in the hole. Oh, come on, buddy. Get in the hole.
I got to spin on it.
Come on, man.
Give the old hop to it.
All right. And as you can see, the seat clears very nicely. This is all yours. Go ahead and put her in drive. You can actually get in it if you want.
Yeah, you know what? Let me back it out.
Yeah, you can back it out. Put it in reverse. Oh, fuck that beeper, man. What'd you... Oh, turn the key on. Turn the key on, Mo. Be careful. Be careful.
Yeah, this thing's taking off.
It's gonna take... It's so much lighter now. You want rear view? You want backup camera? All right, go forward in it. God, we made a mess. We made a mess, guys.
Oh, I just touch it.
Dude, I'm telling you, it's gonna go, dude. It's gonna go.
Oh my God.
Later on, we're gonna make another video with Mo on his experience with the DC power.
I got
Mo's so happy right now.
I am very happy.
We're gonna make another video of the DC house power battery with Mo's experience. We're gonna interview him because Mo's fucking awesome, and we're gonna ask him how he likes his battery.
And he's awesome.
No, I know I'm a little awesome.
For life.
Lithium for life. Hashtag lithium for life. But we're gonna have another video of Mo here. Hopefully you guys enjoy his company on this battery and his experience, because this is obviously not my golf cart, it's his. So I want him to like experience and like get a full charge out of it. And then later on we'll talk about...
Always clean your mess.
Yeah, always clean your mess. We'll talk about how he likes the battery and how much better the lithium battery is over these unfortunate Trojan lead acids, guys. All right, guys, I hope you would... Mo just hit his fucking head on... Mo literally just hit his head on this right here as I'm trying to do my freaking outro. Mo, you okay, buddy?
I'm fucking peachy.
If you're not, I will take possession of your golf cart for you, bud. Because I'm here for you.
I love you.
I love me too, man. Listen, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the share button, the like button, the freaking everything button. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. And like I said, first link in the description, DC House Power. There's Mo living his life.
If I had more thumbs, they'd be up. There's 3 up. You'd only see 2.
Mo, listen, Mo might be in some future videos, guys. Comment below. Let me know if you want Mo in the videos. He's funny as fuck. Oh, he's real close to me.
Well, hey, he's getting a hop tui later.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not, guys. No, I'm not. Other than that, guys, the video is... What?
Mo tui is what I call it.
Mo-tude?
The Mo tui.
Mo-tui? He calls it the Mo-tui, guys. What a beautiful... Listen, man, you really got a nice easy go here.
Now,
It's nice lifted. It has the same wheels that I've got.
It was under the tarp all winter. It's going to be shiny. We'll get another video.
You got to clean it up, man, a little bit. You got speakers. This board deck is... Yo, we got speakers!
Hold on.
I don't even got speakers. He cleaned up all the nuts and shit. Clean up your nuts. Oh, the radio works? Good.
Oh,
I did it right.
Bluetooth.
Comment below if you think I should get a radio in my golf cart, guys. Look at this freaking car radio. Crazy. Fucking crazy, dude. Oh, also no. Listen, we got to convert that to 12 volt, by the way.
Okay,
That's pretty easy.
That actually is what it's charged at. That's the crazy
Yeah, well, no, it's not really what it's charged at, but still.
no.
Oh, by the way, Mo, show them the app.
Oh,
We're like ending this video. We haven't even like given you all the examples.
that's how
and
easy
shit.
it is.
Yeah. So he has a gauge. Where's the gauge at?
You have it sitting back there.
Oh, so listen, guys. It comes with a gauge and everything that we're actually going to mount up here in a later video, possibly. But here's the cool part: is you can download a freaking app. So the app will literally tell you what the percentage is at 51% right now. Mo's gonna be able to drive this thing around for like 3 freaking weeks. It's gonna be crazy. But it tells you all the information, the data, you got notifications that you can set up. It's pretty cool. Very, very easy app to use. So yeah, you can put the app on, or you can use the gauge, or you can use both, regardless. Are you gonna demonetize my video by playing music?
I'm gonna play good music.
No. This guy.
Yeah.
This guy,
Can't
man.
do it.
Demonetization, man.
Yeah, I can't.
Rights and shit. Anyways, okay, guys. Listen, if you want me to put a radio in mine, let me know. Comment below.
Oh, touchscreen.
Touchscreen. I'll put a touchscreen from ATOTO, because ATOTO likes to sponsor me too. What's up, ATOTO? You guys are freaking amazing. Love you guys. But anyways, we're going to end this video because it's already too dang long. But I hope you guys have a great freaking evening. Mo's very happy with his golf cart. And DC House definitely did a great freaking job with this Lithium EasyGo TXT 48 volt, 100 amp hour battery. First link in the description below. Check them out. Deuces.